Hi, my name is Keem Mazni and this is my guide to a perfect home. For me, your home need to be something yang represent you. A collective of ideas from travelling or from a vintage shop visit. You kena collect all the things yang you rasa macam, this is represent me. So rather than macam you buat rumah yang macam tiru rumah orang lain or get it from the Pinterest, is rather to represent yourself. Untuk tip yang nombor 1, you kena avoid untuk letak semua bulky big furniture dekat dalam satu space. Sebab apa? Dia akan crampkan the space. So, macam mana you nak play around with the space dengan furniture? Contohlah, macam sofa dah bulky, dah ada upholstery, ada fabric, benda macam tu kan. So, you kena matchkan macam armchair dia ataupun side chair dia dengan something yang very wood frame, macam wood frame ke steel frame ke, untuk you breakkan dia punya bulkiness dekat dalam space tu. So tips nombor 2 pula, macam you kena createkan you punya space tu macam a blank canvas. So you punya wall kena plain, kosong. If you want to play with colours, just one colour, monotone. Sebab apa? My idea is when it comes to interior design, you kena play around dengan artwork, fabric dekat lansir, fabric dekat carpet, sofa, and all this furniture, all this item yang you dah collect and you dah put together in a space, dia yang akan bring colour to that area. So tips yang last sekali, carpet dekat bawah table, dining table. Carpet tu jangan kecil sangat, sebab carpet tu should be very big. Bila you tolak chair you ke belakang untuk you keluar table, dia ada lagi banyak space lagi dekat belakang tu. So reason why, bila you dah tolak chair you ke belakang and then you nak tarik balik chair you ke depan, so you tak foldkan carpet dekat bawah chair tu. So my favourite item in my house is my mom's pottery, because dia ada macam this kind of sentimental value. Sebab my mom dia kerja dekat mental health center, so dia as a rehab staff dekat sana. So part of the macam educational punya program dekat situ, dia kena ajar art.
Describe your home in 3 words.
Layered, warm and compact. Bila I start nak buat design, I suka baca articles from interior designer, or I tengok video from interior designer, just to get the information macam mana diorang buat design, the description, the details, the selection of the material finishes, so that baru I faham, dia buat certain part ni macam ni, the reason why dia buat sofa tu macam tu is macam tu. So you can't get it from the picture. You need to learn and you need to understand why designer ni buat certain thing. Nak cari one song that represent my house, I would say Parachute by Cheryl Cole. I think my house is my parachute yang akan save me from something. So remember, bila you nak design your house, dia kena reflect balik dekat you punya identity. Apa benda yang you suka, apa benda you nak showcasekan you punya personality. You kena ada your identity untuk represent the space. This is Keem Mazni and this is my guide to a perfect home.